Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper, and I wanted to just show you, if you are building a learning center, something interesting that I've mentioned before. I wanted to show you in real life. Now you'll see this is going to be the Clickfunnels homepage, and they've got the trial there. But what I want you to do is to go to clickfunnels.com and then go to the pricing page. You go to your favorite search engine, you'll type in Clickfunnels Pricing. It won't be the first result. It'll typically be maybe the fourth or fifth one down. This is the fifth one. I'm going to click on Clickfunnels Pricing. That's going to bring me to the pricing page. And then if you scroll down a little bit, what you're going to notice is that there is a line here for what they call Funnel Flicks. And Funnel Flicks has 2 levels of training. You'll notice here that what you get along with your Clickfunnels page building system is that you're going to get hours of additional training and courses. You're also, if you go to their premium level, you're going to get a higher level of that same training and courses. So you'll see this is basically what we have been talking about for the past year, is building a learning center. And you'll see they've got 2 levels of it, and they've built it into their signature product. So obviously what they're doing is they're leading with their page building system, and then they're enhancing that page building system now with a learning center. If you look on the pricing page, they are selling their page building system now with their learning center, and they're saying, hey, if you really want the page building system, you're going to get a fantastic learning center with it also. Now, just you'll know, depending on when you're seeing this video, we are going to be releasing our set of Clickfunnels videos within the next week of the time that you're seeing this video. That's really how I came across seeing this and wanted to tell you about it. So if you want to get our PLR videos that we're doing on Clickfunnels, make sure you go to the link below and you'll be able to be first in line. Just go to either our homepage at plrshow.com or go to the early bird link for the Clickfunnels videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.